Find which version of package is installed with pip. Using pip, is it possible to figure out which version of a package is currently installed? I know about pip install XYZ upgrade, but I am wondering if there is anything like pip info XYZ. If not, what would be the best way to tell what version I am currently using?
As of pip 1.3, there is a pip show command. In older versions, pip freeze and grep should do the job nicely.
I just sent a pull request in pip with the enhancement Hugo Tavares set. Spec loud as example.
Pip 1.3 now also has a list command.
And with outdated as an extra argument, you will get the current and latest versions of the packages you are using. So combining with Adam's answer. Check pip tools to this URL.